The holiday season is here, the kids are home, so let's make some wonderful memories with them, shall we? Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. आज हम बनाने वाले हैं बहुत ही आसान से 3 इंग्रेडिएंट से बने बटर कुकीज. You know what? The kids love them, so will you. और जब नाम में ही बटर है, तो let's make the butter better by using the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread. It's made of creamy milk and probiotics, which make it yummy, tasty, and also supports immunity. The whole wheat is a great source of carbohydrate, fiber, and essential minerals that provides energy, improves digestion, and reduces the risk of lifestyle diseases. So let's start. First, let's just cream the butter and honey together. So you do this for around 2 minutes. अब हम आटे को सिफ्ट करके इसके अंदर डालेंगे. Now, just use your hands. Okay, now we make our cookies. And you don't need to grease the tray with any fat because the cookies already have ample fat in them. Simple. Our oven is preheated and these go into our oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 15 to 20 minutes. That's really hot. Allow it to cool completely, only then take it out. Yum! साल के आखिरी हफ्ते में spend time with your kids, feet up on the sofa, watching a movie in a warm blanket, dunking these delicious cookies in milk. Adding the Nutralite DoodhShakti Probiotic Butter Spread is truly the butter way to do it. Do try this recipe out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do press the bell icon to make sure you get all the latest updates. And do download the Simple Soulful app now. और जैसे मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.